Hi everyone. We've been really busy the last few weeks preparing everybody for Christmas with lots of gift vouchers and gift ideas and new pages for the websites. We're coming towards the end of that now, but at the same time we've been doing all the Christmas preparations. We've been doing a lot of work in the background on our new systems. You're aware that we were planning a move of Salon Lake Deals, a new system. There's been a lot more going on than just that, and we're getting close, I think, to the stage of perhaps talking about what we're trying to do. One of the concerns I've got is if a customer was with us and using all of our systems, there was a lot of places on the internet for them to maintain their information. One of the first things we did a couple of years ago was create the Best Salon Guide. All of our clients are listed on the Best Salon Guide. You can see this is the main page here. There's a map at the top that shows where our salon locations are. All the salons listed, page after page of them, and if you click through to any salon, it gives a map and photographs and various other information that you'd expect on a salon listing website. This was a good idea. It's been in existence for a couple of years. We're really highly ranked on Google. I think we're number 3 in the world for the phrase Best Salon Guide, beating many really big names in the discount directory listings. Let's have a quick look. Best salons. So the reason behind the Best Salon Guide is to give us this really potentially busy in the future website where all our salons are listed with information. Here we are, Best Salon Guide, number 2 in the world, beating many really big names that have listings. So it's been a success, but we wanted to build on that. So we've got the Best Salon Guide as a website. We also then developed the plan to have Salon Lake Deals as its own website, because at the moment, if you wanted to maintain the deals, you have to go to every salon's individual site. And if we wanted to pull all those deals together to one site where clients could go to look for a Salon Lake deal, we have to access 60 sites. So the new system would be Salon Lake Deals running on its own site, listing all those deals at the salons that use our system. This one site would also let you control your deals. Create the deals, edit them, check the claims. You can still place these deals on your own website. You just use a little line of code that means they would work exactly as they do now on your own website, but we would have a website to rival the likes of Wahonda. A site full of salon deals, and unlike Wahonda, we don't take 20% of the money. We don't charge £30 a month plus that commission. So we're offering, I think, a much better route for offering late deals on a international or national website. So Salon Lake Deals was the big plan. We've done all the work. We've actually got 3 or 4 salons already on the system, and that's when we paused for thought, or I paused for thought and thought perhaps there's a different way of doing this, which I'll show you in a minute. So Best Salon Guide was our listings, Salon Lake Deals was our website to manage your deals, and of course we've got Social Salon, which is our Wi-Fi system and web login. Now again, that's out, that's working, that's finished. It's a website where you can go to check your reports, change the way that your Wi-Fi works. All the things that you need to do on your Wi-Fi are on Social Salon, a website that allows you to log in and control your information and how your systems work. And then of course you've all got your own websites. Each of you's got a website that you go to log in, to answer comments, to check for reviews, to answer any comments from clients. All the things that you need to interact with your clients are on your website. And we wanted to do a lot more work on customer reviews and surveys, etc. So that's when we paused and stopped and thought, perhaps there's a better way of doing this. So what we have decided is to bring everything together. This little graphic explains how it all connects together. What we've got is Salon Lake Deals as a website, and Social Salon as a website, and then your own website, Salon Guru, and also your listings. So what we've decided to do, and what we're very close to completing, we're going to have that first step as the most important. YourSalon.co is a new international website domain that is your first step on the ladder. You have a listing on YourSalon.co. That listing contains your business information and information for each of your salon outlets. So if you've got multiple outlets, you'd have multiple listings. So that's your first step, YourSalon.co. And then onto that, we can switch on Salon Late Deals on YourSalon.co. So you go to Your Salon, where your listing is, where your information is, and that's where you control your Salon Late Deals. And that's where you could get the code to embed the late deals onto your own website. And also on YourSalon.co, if we switch it on, that's where you would go to control your social salon. In the back end of your salon listing, it would list your Wi-Fi locations and the way that it works and the report. So all of your information about your Wi-Fi, again, is on your salon listing. And what we're also developing is what was called Salon Voices, which is the communication between you and clients. It's your online reputation management. It's reviews, it's Google reviews, it's Facebook reviews, it's website reviews, it's customer surveys, it's feedback forms. It's that to and fro between you and your client to get reviews and comments and surveys and feedbacks. That is well under development and ready for early 2015. All these other systems exist. They were just on separate websites. So bringing them all together in one place means you can go to YourSalon.co, your listing, log in, and control everything. Control your deals, control your Wi-Fi, control your reviews. It will even access your website from your salon listing, so you could see the comments that are waiting to be approved or replied to, or anything else relevant from your website. One listing, one login, one password, to make it much easier for you to control everything. So this is where we're up to with Your Salon. This is the website. It should be ready for launch by Monday. And on this website, YourSalon.co, you will have your own listing. You can see here at the top of the menu, we've got a login and register for salons, eventually as well for clients. So clients can come here to look for a salon, to look for a deal. So if we look at the actual listings, here we are, they're all starting to be added. We're working through, we've got 3 pages of these at the moment. By early next week, all of our existing clients will be on the system. And you have on here a listing with a map, a list of your services, your opening hours, there'll be photographs, and there'll be your late deals. So this becomes your central location for all your things you do with Salon Guru, your listing on YourSalon.co. It's been an enormous amount of work. It's taken us many months to get to this stage, but we think it's going to make everything so much easier, because you won't need to go to different places to do different things. Come here, log in, see everything. I'll update everybody in the next week or so as we get closer to launch. Probably the first things you'll see is I'll send you an invite to YourSalon.co listing, so you can come and see the information we've got for your salon and your locations, and see if we need to make any edits to it. Nice speaking to you all, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.